Hey foodies, welcome to Salad and Food. Today I am going to make Rajgira Puri. So let's start. Ingredients for the dish are as follows. Add Rajgira flour. Add boiled potatoes. Mash the potatoes. Add chopped coriander leaves. Add chopped chilies. Salt to taste. Add roasted cumin seed powder. Mix all the ingredients to make the dough. Add water. Now knead the dough. Keep aside for 10 minutes. Add oil. Now knead the dough. We added oil so that the dough is soft and perfect. Take some part of the dough and roll it as shown. Now cut the dough into small pieces. Now shape the small pieces of dough into puris. Now fry the puris. Golden fry the puris. Puris are ready. This puri looks so crispy. Eat and enjoy. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe. Salad and food. Thank you.